Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open a second Etsy shop step by step. First, you need a new email address. Sign out of your current Etsy account or open a different browser to keep the account separate. Go to Etsy.com, click Sign In, then click Register. Create a new Etsy account using your new email address and fill in your personal information. You can complete some details later in your account settings. Next, check your email and verify your new account. Etsy sends a confirmation email and you cannot continue without completing this step. After your account is verified, go to the Your Account menu in the upper right corner and select Sell on Etsy. Follow the same steps you did when creating your first shop. Choose a shop name, set your preferences, list your products, and configure payment and billing options. You can use the same bank account and credit card for both shops when setting up billing. Once completed, your second Etsy shop will be live and ready to sell. And that's it. You now know how to open a second Etsy shop. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.